Inimba fans are losing their minds after an off-screen moment between actors Lunathi Mampofu and Loyiso McDonald went viral, leaving viewers wondering if real love could be turning into something real. The two who play Zoleka and Lazarus on the popular isiXhosa telenovela had fans buzzing after they appeared together as co-presenters on a sports TV show over the weekend. Things really took off when a clip shared on X showed Lunathi accidentally calling Loyiso by his character's name, Lazarus. A small slip was enough to send social media into a full-blown meltdown. Fans quickly filled the comments with jokes and playful demands, saying the pair should stop pretending and start dating in real life. Some even went as far as suggesting a quick trip to Home Affairs. One viewer jokingly wrote, "Shadani please, Lars proposals are your thing. Yenza lento udume ngazo," basically telling him to do what he's known for and propose already. While neither Lunathi nor Loyiso has confirmed any romantic involvement, fans are fully invested and clearly hoping that this on-screen love story might spill into real life. Social media is now watching closely to see whether fiction could actually become reality.